Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your go-to channel for top-tier tech reviews that elevate your setup. Today, we're zeroing in on a professional-grade monitor that's engineered for designers, content creators, and Mac users alike, the BenQ. This is a 32-inch 4K UHD display built with precision in mind, and it's one of the most color-accurate monitors in its class for 2025. Let's start with what makes this display truly exceptional: visual fidelity. The PD3205U features a stunning 3840x2160 resolution on an IPS panel, delivering true 4K clarity and ultra-wide 178 degrees viewing angles. Whether you're editing video, retouching photos, or working on CAD designs, every pixel counts, and this monitor ensures they're rendered with breathtaking sharpness. Where it really shines is in color accuracy. You're getting 99% sRGB and 99% Rec.709 color gamut coverage, with delta E less than or equal to 3 color precision, plus each unit ships with a factory calibration report for verified out-of-the-box accuracy. It's also Pantone validated and includes ICC Sync support, so it integrates beautifully with your Mac or PC color profiles. And speaking of Macs, this monitor is Mac ready with full USB-C 6.5W power delivery. That means you can connect, charge, and transmit video and data all with a single cable. It's a dream for anyone looking for a streamlined, clutter-free desk setup. And yes, it includes additional DisplayPort and HDMI ports, so you're covered for multi-device input. Another standout feature, AQCOLOR Technology by BenQ. This ensures that what you see on screen matches what's real, critical for creators working in print, media, or broadcast. The display also includes Uniformity technology, which balances brightness and color from corner to corner, eliminating any inconsistencies that might throw off your workflow. Usability is next level here. You get a HotKey Puck G2 to quickly switch between color modes, inputs, and workspace presets. Plus, the ergonomic stand lets you tilt, swivel, pivot, and adjust height effortlessly, or you can mount it using standard VESA compatibility. The built-in USB hub gives you added convenience for connecting peripherals, and low blue light and flicker-free tech ensures your eyes stay fresh even during marathon editing sessions. If you're a visual professional, creative editor, or anyone who demands absolute accuracy, the BenQ PD3205U offers studio-level performance with the flexibility to integrate seamlessly into your workflow. Tap the link below to check the latest pricing and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more premium gear reviews only here on Gadgetverse.